How to draw a tennis racket, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our tennis racket, we're going to begin right here towards the top center of our page, and we're just going to draw a simple circle for the net of our racket. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. Now right below the center of our circle that we just drew, we're going to draw an upside down triangle shape. This will help us connect the net to the handle. If I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to match your colors. Nice job! Now right below the triangle that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the handle of a racket. It will be long going up and down, and it will look similar to a rectangle. On the inside, for detail, we're going to draw lines going across. Now let's go ahead and draw the lines on our handle going from left to right for a little bit of detail, just like I previously mentioned. All done? If so, let's continue. Now let's go ahead and draw an outline around the outside of our net that will connect all the way down to our handle. This will be the frame of our racket. Now all we have left to do before we color is to draw the net itself, so let's go ahead and draw lines going up and down and across on the inside right here in this circle. Now once we're all done making the lines going up and down, let's draw more lines going from left to right. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Tennis Rackets. I hope your drawing turned out great, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like, because then that will send a special message to YouTube that says, hey, learn how to draw Hub's not that bad. Recommend it to other YouTube artists. Then that way, we can continue to grow our drawing community together. If you subscribe to the channel, then keep in mind that we upload on a regular basis. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.